Good morning, children. This is the continuation of revision classes, lesson number 3. So, here we have the example in the grammar. What is that? She had eaten up nearly half of it. Nearly means almost. Whatever we gave from that, half of it is finished, maximum. It was too cold. Too means more. Too cold. So here the two words are highlighted. Those are nearly and too. Such type of words which tell us about strong or weak. The object is. Such type of words are called adverbs of degree. And the other remaining words are almost, absolutely, completely, deeply, fully, hardly, little, totally, very. Almost. Suppose if you have to travel at least a distance of 5 kilometers. So if you completed your journey of at least 3 kilometers. So you'll say that I'm almost there. Means if you'll finish a distance of about 2 kilometers, you will reach. Absolutely means exactly. Completely, totally. Deeply, the object something which is very deep. As the well is very deep, isn't it? We cannot measure its depth. Fully means totally. Hardly. Hardly means I could hardly get your house. I could hardly get the way to your house. Suppose if you are new to any area, if you are unable to find the house of your friend. So what will you say? I hardly found your house. Little. I saw the two little birds on the tree. Little, small. Totally means completely. Very. Very, as you might have aware of. Very good, very bad. There we use the words like very. Now, let us try to complete these sentences with the correct adverbs of degree from the box. The options which are given to us are almost, enough, hardly, quite, completely, too, T-O-O, too. These are the words. First one, Lata is dash as tall as Aarti. So here we are comparing the two people on the basis of height. So the suitable option is almost. Lata is almost as tall as Aarti. It means there is a slight difference between the height of these two girls. Second one, we could dash hear the speaker. Now you went to attend any meeting or something else. There you are unable to hear what the man is speaking. So there we use the word like hardly. We could hardly hear the speaker. Either it may be due to the lot of disturbance or anything else. Third one, the soup was dash hot to be drunk. Too means more hot. So it is not proper enough to be drunk. There we use T-O-O, too. Suppose for example, sometimes if you like any food which was very tasty, you will eat more than your limits sometimes. That is called I ate too much food. There, T-O-O, too. TWO2 means 1, 2 in quantity, but it is adverb of degree. There we use TOO2 means more. Fourth one. Anil did not work hard dash enough means the exact hard work how much he should do to complete the work, he did not do that. So we say enough. For example, if he need to learn for 5 hours, he learned only 3 hours. So you say that he did not work hard enough. He did the work less than his limit. There we say enough. Fifth one. Sejal was driving dash fast. That is quite fast. Sixth one. Rachel went to bed as soon as we reached the hotel. She was dash exhausted after walking up the hill. Means no, she was totally exhausted, tired. She can't do any work. Who's that? Rachel. When they went to bed. After reaching the hotel, she was totally tired because they walked a long way up to the hill. So we say completely. Here we don't have the chance so that she could do any work. There we use completely. Hope that everyone understood. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.